showing you how to make fresh almond milk. And yeah, as you can see, we're in a new location right now. We're visiting my family in Mexico, therefore we are in their kitchen. Since we got to Mexico, my mom has been making fresh almond milk and I asked her to show me how to make it because I thought this will be a perfect recipe to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into the ingredients. The ingredients for the recipe are 5.5 cups of water, 1 cup of raw almonds, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. As always, you guys are gonna be surprised how easy this recipe is. To start making our almond milk, we're gonna need to put our almonds in a bowl and we're gonna cover them with water. So from our water, we're gonna grab about 1.5 cups to cover our almonds. So we're gonna cover them with water just like this. Once you have your almonds soaking in water, we're gonna let them soak for about 8 to 24 hours. What I did is that I started soaking them last night, so they've been soaking for about 12 hours. I just wanted to show you guys how your almonds should look after soaking. So the water should have kind of like a milky look, and if you grab one of your almonds, the skin should remove easily, just like this. Once you've done that with one of your almonds and the skin pops out, that means they are ready. So now that our almonds are done soaking, I'm gonna strain them to remove all that milky water. And now that we've strained our almonds, we're gonna give them a quick rinse. Okay, so now our almonds are ready to go, and I'm gonna transfer them into my blender. And we're gonna add our remaining 4 cups of water. Once we have our almonds and water in the blender, we're gonna blend until the almonds are perfectly blended with the water. Now that our almonds are blended, this is the part where you add the flavor that you want to add to your almond milk. We are making vanilla almond milk, so that's why I recommended to put some vanilla extract. But if you want to add cocoa powder to make chocolate almond milk or any other extract of your preference, you can. So add our vanilla extract and our pinch of salt. This might sound weird, but the pinch of salt will bring up all the flavors of our almonds as well as the sweetness. If you like sweet almond milk, this will be the point where you add your sweetener. Because I usually drink just unsweetened almond milk, I'm gonna leave it like this. But again, if you do want sweet almond milk, you can add just like a little package of stevia. So now we blend one more time. So our almonds are all blended, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove all the pulp and the skin from the almonds, so we are left just with the milk. For that, you're gonna need a bowl, and a lot of people use a cheesecloth. I don't have one, but you can use any other type of fabric that resembles a cheesecloth. I have this little thing that it's usually used to make filtered coffee, and this works perfect for me, but if you have a cheesecloth, you can use it as well. So now we're just gonna filter our almond mix. So really carefully run your liquid through your cloth. I like to shake it a little bit to speed up the process, and once you see it's running through the cloth, keep adding the rest. And as you can see, the milk is looking nice and creamy, and it's so fresh. When you guys taste it, you're gonna love it. The filter is getting a little bit clogged, so now what I like to do is with a spoon, just run it through the skin and press. I'm gonna add the rest. Once that our liquid has run through the cloth, the next step will be to squish the pulp inside to get as much milk as we can. Just push it down and squish it. Squish as much as you can because that's where all the milk is, within the pulp of the almonds. Now that we've strained our almond milk, this is what we should end up with. Our delicious milk and the pulp and skin from the almonds. At this point, you can toss this out, but if you don't like to waste food, you can keep this, store it in your fridge, and use it to put it on your smoothies or anything that you come up with. This is kind of like a moist almond flour. Now I'm gonna transfer this into my jar and we'll try it out. So as you can see, the recipe was enough to make 1 liter of almond milk, and just look at it, guys. Looks like regular milk if you ask me, but it's all natural and homemade. Now that you have your almond milk ready, store it in a glass container in your fridge and it will last 3 to 5 days. So there you have it, guys, your keto almond milk. Let's try it out. It's so fresh. I love it. It's delicious, guys. It's so milky, and the almond flavor is not super rich, which is just like all you can taste. It tastes delicious. One more sip. I hope you guys liked the recipe and the video. If you did, don't forget to give me the thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the bell notification button, and leave me a comment. If you also want to follow me on my keto journey, I will be linking my social media down below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next video.